beautiful. Very beautiful. The more Villanova shapes up, the easier it is for you to understand why buyers are choosing it. My name is Juliet Badividara, property consultant with Val Real Estate Ghana. Come with me for the update for July. Hello, Engineer Alex. Thank you for having us. What has been the update for the month of July?
Okay, update for the month of July so far. We can say that with the showroom,
Yes.
we've started the fence wall. I believe last time when you came,
yes,
we've done the fence wall. Currently, we are doing the plastering. We've started external works also for the showroom. And then aside the showroom, we have other ones we've made much progress. For instance, the zone 3, we've done casting of some slabs, quite a number of slabs with the columns.
Some columns too.
Exactly. Zone 2, same. And then zone 1. Zone 1 now, we are really moving the showroom for the 4-bedroom.
Clients will definitely be happy to hear this.
Definitely. So very soon you come and you see quite finished improvement. Yeah.
Okay.
And then for the showroom for the 4-bedroom apartment. Now we've done much of the block works, and very soon will be completed. That aside, too, we have other slabs and columns.
For the month of August, what should the clients expect to see?
Would have been done with. Would have fixed most of the fittings for the showroom. The external works for the showroom would have also been, if not completed, almost completed.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, and then we'll meet again.
Sure. Welcome.
Imagine the day these keys are finally in your hands. That's the moment we're building toward. Every update brings Villanova one step closer to welcoming its first homeowners, and today you still have the opportunity to be one of them. Speak to our team today to reserve a villa you'll be proud to call home. To stay informed, stay connected, follow us on all our social media platforms.